Hi, I'm Jerry Abraham from Cognizant Technology Solutions. I'm here to talk about Six Sigma. But my fundamental question is, why do organizations or businesses exist? To answer that, it's as simple as it's to make money now and in the future. And some of the key factors that drive the growth of your organization is your products, services, ability to differentiate, innovate, and most importantly, that growth is governed by your customers. In today's environment of global competition, it's important that your business grows and that growth is sustained. If businesses don't grow, it dies. And what I would like to propose is that catalyst of change that will enable your business to maximize profits, grow, and succeed. And that way is the Six Sigma way. So, what is Six Sigma? Firstly, what it is not. It's not a secret society, a slogan, or a cliche. Six Sigma is a highly disciplined process that helps us focus on developing and delivering near perfect products and services. It's a measure of success against customer requirements, not internal requirements. It's a strategy to know what's important to the customer. Now, why Six Sigma? Often our inside view of the business is based on average and means based measure of our recent past. Customers don't judge us on averages. They feel the variance in each transaction, in each product we ship. Six Sigma focuses on reducing process variation and then on improving the process capability. Customers value consistent, predictable business processes that deliver world-class levels of quality. This is what Six Sigma strives to produce. Today's competitive environment leaves no room for error. We must delight our customers and relentlessly look for new ways to exceed their expectation. This is why Six Sigma quality must become a part of the organization DNA. Top management and stockholders recognize the high cost of poor quality. Just to give you a little background of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a business management strategy originally developed by Motorola USA in 1986, and GE were the early adopters of Six Sigma, largely to the efforts of their CEO, Jack Welch. The Six Sigma effort at GE contributed $700 million in corporate benefits in 1997, just 2 years into their program. And James McNerney, an alumnus of GE who joined 3M, changed the DNA of the organization. His playbook was Vintage GE. His efforts led to a 22% rise in profits on average, and the sales approached $23 billion, and the profits totaled $1.4 billion. Now that's the power of Six Sigma. If I were to pose a question, is 99% good enough? Most of us would say yes. But let's understand, what does 99% mean? It means 20,000 lost articles of mail per hour. And if one of those mails were to be from your preferred customers. Or it can also mean 5,000 incorrect surgical operations per week, or 200,000 wrong drug prescriptions each year. This is 99%. It is at 3.8 Sigma level. So how much is Six Sigma level? It is 99.99966%. If I were to translate the earlier stats, that would be 7 articles lost per hour as compared to 20,000, 1.7 incorrect surgical operations per week as compared to 5,000, or 68 wrong drug prescriptions per year as compared to 200,000. So, what does it require from an organization to implement Six Sigma successfully? I'd like to focus on some of the key themes to work the organization DNA. Firstly, training. Heavy emphasis on training the workforce for database problem analysis. Secondly, mentoring. Full-time master black belts hired specifically for implementation of Six Sigma and to lead the process change. And each black belt's in turn mentoring process employees for the black belt levels, and so on and so forth. Importantly, leadership. The best of training and mentoring efforts would crumble without effective leadership. Support not just financially, but also secure vital commitment from senior executives at the workforce. Hands-on approach to Six Sigma and lead from the front. And most importantly, focus implementation. 3 time-tested implementation approaches are show me the money, everybody plays, and specific techniques. When I mean show me the money, we're primarily talking about a focus on the bottom line, the need to cut costs in a competitive, price-sensitive market to remove workplace defects and improve productivity. Besides improving product quality, everybody plays. Now, what does that mean? We're talking about the need for suppliers to participate in the Six Sigma initiative to make products fully Six Sigma compliant. And finally, specific techniques, the art of ranking projects and aligning them to the business goals through Six Sigma tools. I'm a firm believer in Six Sigma. While I was at work with HDFC Bank as a black belt, we were able to reduce non-delivery of monthly statements for our premier customers, also called as HNI customers, by 83%, which resulted in an annualized savings of 1 crore. Another project done for a bank branch of about 1,000 crore book size with about 88,000 customer base, we were able to reduce the average daily branch transaction to customer ratio by about 30%, which led to a savings of about 1.05 crores per annum. Now, we're not in the business of quality. We are here to improve the quality of business. All companies that have implemented Six Sigma have a similar success story to tell. What is your story? Why predict the future when you can create it? Think big, think Six Sigma.